Halloween is so much fun. You'll need your dotting tools, your texturing tools like sandpaper, and about 2 to 3 different pastel earth color tones like a dark brown, a medium brown, and a yellow. So let's go ahead and make some teeth here. That's translucent mixed with a little bit of white. As you see, we only bake for about 10 minutes. Now we're just going to loosely make a sugar cookie. We made this out of ecru or tan and white. Now we're going to make our frosting. And I just sloppily did this just like you would making a real sugar cookie and frosting. You can add any kind of green and use your dotting tools. Take your time on those eyes as you add pieces of clay and smooth it out. I added a little bit of texturing for wrinkles, etc. But this doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be fun. So we're going to add our little teeth now. And I just kind of poke them in kind of hard so it kind of looks like they're jutting out of the mouth. And now we're going to use some dark brown to texture, color inside the teeth. And it's really coming together. There we are, all done. I gave my spooky little cookie a friend and used the leftover scraps to make another matching charm. I glued on one tooth that had fallen out during baking with Gorilla Glue gel, and I used a glue gun to affix a little black ribbon. These guys are just so adorable. Happy Halloween! Candy corn is a traditional favorite at Halloween. This is how to make it. You won't need any tools but your fingers and a cutting tool. You'll need 3 colors, yellow, orange, and white. As you see, I'm cutting the 3 snakes, and then I'll pick them up and gently push them together and shape them. When I'm done with the excess clay, I'll pull it apart and I'll add it to the appropriate colors so I can use some more. Push those screw hooks in deeply so they don't come out. Bake and enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, check out Fresh Creations channel in my description to enjoy all sorts of cool Halloween inspired ideas with polymer clay, including awesome nail art.